Hello and welcome to my new video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a new Grammarly alternative which works literally anywhere. You can use it on Notepad, you can use it on Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, you can use it to reply to your emails, you can use it to reply to Facebook comments, you can use it to reply to Twitter comment, or wherever you want, you can use it. You are not limited to Chrome browser to use this application, and also it works with all of the device like Windows and Apple Mac devices. Like if you are using Mac OS silicon chips, then also you can use it. If you are using Mac OS Intel chip version, then also you can use this. Okay, so you can use it on any device. You can use it on both Windows and Apple devices. Apart from this, you can use it anywhere. If you are using Notepad or anywhere, then you can use it. Let me show you a live demo. So as you can see, I have opened a simple note editor in Apple, and it is not a Chrome or anything. It is a simple note taking application. And as you can see, I have written a sentence here with some grammar mistakes, like I was working to an important project, and here is a spelling mistake, and here is it should be and there are some mistakes. So what I can do, I can just select this text, and here is the icon of this application. The application name is Pismo. Okay, so when I will click on it, then it will show me some options like apply quick prompts to selected text, open with selected text, show hide setting, how to use, and all these things. So all you need to do is just click on open with selected text, and as you can see, it will show me lots of options like translate it to English, improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, summarize, make shorter, make longer, translate to French, discard, or multiple option. And also you can give it a custom prompt if you want. For example, here as you can see, there is some spelling mistake as you can see and grammar mistakes, so I want to fix it. Okay, I don't want to use Grammarly, I don't want to pay a recurring fee to Grammarly to fix my grammar mistakes, so I simply want to use this application. So I will click on fix spelling and grammar, and as you can see, AI is writing, and as you can see, it has fixed this mistake I was working on. As you can see, it was written A, and here it is written in un. Okay, I was working on an important project, and also there was a spelling mistake, so it has also fixed it. So after it will fix your grammar and all these things, then it will give you multiple options, like you can replace the selection. It means that it will replace this sentence with the corrected sentence. Okay, and if you want to copy this sentence in clipboard, then you can click on it. And if you want to keep the original version and this new version, then you can click on insert below. Okay, you can continue with another prompt. If you are not happy with the generated output, then you can regenerate, and you can try another prompt and all these things. So we want to replace the selection. Okay, so as you can see, it replaced the previous sentence with new sentence, and there is no grammar mistake in this sentence. Let me give you another example. Let's write something like you is do great job. I write this sentence with grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes and all these things. So let's try it. Let's select the text, click on this icon, and let's click on apply quick prompt to selected text. Okay, and as you can see, it has fixed all the grammar mistakes and all these things, and also it fixed spelling mistake, and now it has written the exact thing that I was planning to write. You did a great job. Okay, so what I can do, I can click on replace selection, and it will add the new sentence here. So in this way you can use it. So let me give you another example. Recently I got an email about interview request. Okay, he want to interview me on his YouTube channel. Suppose I want to reply it, then what I can do, I can simply select it, and then what I can do, I can go to this icon again, and here I can click on open with selected text, and here I can suppose I want to reply to this email. So what I can do, here is the option to add any prompt, as you can see. So simply I will write reply to this email in positive way. Okay, and let's click on enter, and as you can see, AI is writing. So let's see what it has written. Thank you so much for reaching out and for your kind words about blogging lift. I truly appreciate your interest in my journey and expertise. I would be delighted to join your podcast and share insights on blogging, SEO, and affiliate marketing. It sounds like a fantastic opportunity, and I am excited about the potential to connect with your audience. I am available for an interview later this week or next. Please let me know your preferred time and I will do my best to accommodate. Okay, looking forward to the conversation. Best regards, Sumit. So as you can see, it has written a very good reply. Okay, and I did not even need to leave my Gmail app and I need to go to ChatGPT to copy paste the thing and getting the reply and all these things. I just need to select the text and I will instantly reply to emails if I want, like this. So it has written a very good reply. So I will give 9 out of 10 for this particular reply. It is just awesome. Okay, so what you can do, you can just copy this and then you can click on close and you can just click on reply button and you can paste it here. Okay, as you can see, in this way you can reply to your emails easily with the help of Pismo application. So now let me give you another example. Suppose I have opened my Twitter account and for example, this is a post about free Chrome extension for SEO I tried and tested. So suppose I want to reply to this particular tweet, then what I can do, I can select the text, I can click on this application icon and then I will again click on open with selected text and I can write a custom prompt here like reply to this tweet. Okay, and let's press enter and it is started writing. Great list. These tools are essential for any SEO toolkit. Have you tried any of them that really stood out? I am essentially crucial about how well the meta SEO inspector performs. Okay, so as you can see, it has written a great reply. So if I want to use it to reply to this tweet, then what I can do, I can click on copy to clipboard and then I can close it and then I can just click on reply and I can post my reply here like this. Okay, so in this way you can use it to reply to tweets if you want. You can also use it with Google Docs if you want. Suppose if you are writing article like me, then you can use it to fix any grammar mistakes, and if you want to improve any sentence, then you can use it. So recently I started writing an article about Ranklytics review. So if you know that 1 to 2 days back I have created a review video of Ranklytics, so I'm writing an article about the same, that is Ranklytics review. So suppose I want to fix anything in this article, then what I can do, I can select the text. So suppose it has written here, the content gap analysis tool is one of my favorite feature. It allows you to find keyword your competitor are ranking for but you aren't. Okay, so for example, I want to improve it, then what I can do, I can select the text, I can click on it, I can click on open with selected text and here I can click on improve writing, and if I want to make it longer, then I can press it. If I want to summarize it, then here is the summarization option. So let's click on improve writing. So as you can see, it has improved it a little bit. Like the content gap analysis tool is one of my favorite feature. It helps you discover keywords that your competitor are ranking for but you are not. Okay, so it has improved it a little bit, but if I want to improve it more and if I want to make it more better, then here I can write custom prompt like, hey, improve it and add this thing in this sentence like this. Okay, and I can click on this send option and it will write me a better response for this particular sentence. Okay, next thing which I want to discuss is that suppose if you are handling international client, then you can chat with them easily with the help of this application. You can get the message suppose in Spanish language and then you can translate it into English using this without leaving your Gmail account or anything, and you can translate it into English. You can understand what they are saying, then you can write the response in the English language and you can translate it into Spanish and you can send it to your clients. Okay, so as you can see, it has written clearly like chat with international friend, understand foreign news and article, collaborate with overseas colleague, translate emails for global clients. So it has a great features, I can say, if you are handling international client or if you want to do some business with people who are located in other countries and speak different languages. Okay, so this is a very handy tool in this case. And now next thing which I want to show you is that if you want to select any text and open this Pismo application, then as you can see, there is option to open with selected text. Then if you will open it, then here is some predefined prompts like translate to English, improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, summarize, make short shorter, make longer, translate to French, discard, hide, and so if you want any custom prompt here, suppose if you want that whatever the text you will select, it will do copywriting on that particular sentence and make it more better. Suppose I want a prompt here, and that prompt will apply AIDA copywriting framework in selected sentence. That what I can do here. As you can see, I have to manually type it every time, like apply AIDA copywriting framework in this selected sentence. I have to write it every time in this prompt section. So if I want a default prompt for AIDA copywriting, then what I can do, I can simply, let me close it. So what I can do, I can go to this application icon, and then I can click on setting from here, and as you can see, it is showing some default prompts like translate to English, improve writing, fix spelling and grammar. Suppose if you don't want anything, like if you don't want summarize option as a default prompt, then you can remove it from here. Okay, and if you want a custom prompt, then what you can do, you can click on add prompt, and you can give it this prompt a name like apply AIDA copywriting. So I have given it a name. Let's write a prompt here. So my prompt is convert the selected text to AIDA copywriting framework so that I can get more sales, or whatever you want, you can write it here. And let's click on save option to save this default prompt. Okay, so now let's see if this prompt is working or not. So what I will do, I will select the same text. Okay, and now let's click on this Pismo icon, and let's click on open with selected text. And now as you can see, it is showing me the option apply AIDA copywriting. So let's click on it, and as you can see, AI is writing and it has converted into AIDA format, like are you struggling to translate your ideas into impactful content? Introducing Pismo, your ultimate writing assistant that is designed to elevate your writing no matter the medium. Whether it's work email that need to impress, blog post that engage reader, marketing material that drive sales, or academic paper that demand precision, Pismo has got you covered. Imagine effortlessly refining your work to capture your audience attention and convey your message with clarity and style. With Pismo, you can boost your productivity, enhance your creativity, and achieve your goals faster than ever before. Don't let your idea unnoticed. Join countless satisfied user and start creating captivating content today. Sign up for the Pismo and unlock your writing potential now. So as you can see, if you want to check the original text, so this was the text sentence that I have selected, and it has applied AIDA copywriting framework so that I can do better copywriting and get more sales with the perfect copywriting skill. So as you can see, it has written a very good AIDA copy for this particular text. So yeah, it's amazing. So in this way, you can add any custom prompt as your default prompt in Pismo. Okay, and there are lots of features of Pismo, like you can translate it to any language, which I already discussed. You can improve your writing. You don't need to purchase Grammarly because you can improve your writing. You can fix grammar mistake, you can fix spelling mistake, you can improve your writing, you can do proofreading with it, and you can do whatever you want like Grammarly. So you don't need Grammarly if you are using Pismo. Okay, and you can make your text shorter or longer. You can fix spelling and grammar, you can change the tone of the text, and create custom prompt and use them with hotkey in any app. So for example, recently I give you a demo, like I have created a custom prompt for AIDA framework, like, so you can do the same thing with the help of this. And there is also a custom prompt, you can use it like ChatGPT. So for example, I have selected this, and let's again click on it, open with selected text, and here is the custom prompt option. So if you don't want to use the default prompt, then you can write whatever you want, like how can I improve this section so that I can attract more customers, and tell them that they don't need Grammarly. Okay, so whatever you want, you can write it. It is a custom prompt, and just click on send, and it will write the copy for you. So as you can see, it has written a great copy. If you want to read it, then you can check it here. I am just scrolling. You can pause this video and you can read it. Similarly, you can use custom prompts to write anything you want. Okay, so next feature is that Pismo works anywhere, literally anywhere. Okay, I have given you a live demo Pismo, like you are not restricted to Chrome browser like other AI tools. You can use it anywhere. Like suppose if you are using Windows devices, then you can open Notepad, you can write anything, and you can use the Pismo with your Notepad application. Okay, suppose if you are writing anything in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or anywhere, then also you can use Pismo application within your Microsoft Office application. So literally it works anywhere, it works with any application. So if you think that Pismo is the right tool for you, that you need in your daily workflow, then what you can do, you can claim its lifetime deal for just $29. You will pay $29 one time and you can use this software lifetime. You don't have to pay any recurring fee. So if you want to claim its lifetime deal for just $29, then link is in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. So if you want to support my YouTube channel, then you can use the link given in the video description to claim its lifetime deal. And I want to tell you one more thing, that this deal is going to expire in less than 24 hours, and after 24-hour pricing will be increased. Okay, so as you can see, lifetime deal special pricing is starting at $29. Pricing increases on 23rd September. It means that if you are watching this video after 23rd September, then you have to pay extra to get the lifetime deal of Pismo. Okay, so as you can see, 16 people has given it almost 5-star rating, and it is alternative to Grammarly. So now let's talk about Pismo pricing plan. It comes with only two pricing plan. Tier 1 plan will cost you $29, and in this plan you will get 2000 requests per month. So let me quickly explain what is this 2000 requests. So let me explain you what is this request. Okay, so suppose if you will select any text or sentence and you will use Pismo to do anything like replying to email, fix grammar mistake or anything, then it will cost you one request. So I hope you understood. So tier 1 plan will cost you 2000 requests per month, and suppose if you think that you need more than 2000 requests, then you can check the tier 2 plan, which will cost you $99. And with this plan you can get unlimited request per month. It means that you can use this software with unlimited credit. You are not limited to some default limited credit. Okay, so Pismo AppSumo deal is currently live and you can claim its lifetime deal for just $29. Link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. I hope you found this Pismo review video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.